Morning class. Welcome to BPS e-learning and I'm your English teacher, and now we will start doing exercises of chapter number 3rd. As I explained the chapter yesterday and told you to write the poem and draw the picture. Now this is the time to do the exercise of the chapter number 3rd, Dorothy's opinion. As you know, this is the poem about a girl and her mother and a picture on a calendar, and the picture was about some little girl and boys of Dorothy's age, and they are playing in the garden. So Dorothy compare the image of the life of picture boy and the life for real kids. So now we will start doing exercise number 1st and then exercise number 3rd of the chapter number 3rd, Dorothy's opinion. First exercise is take the right answer, and third exercise is write the rhyming word of given words. So we will start with exercise number 1st, take the right answer. Yes, our first exercise is exercise number 1st, choose the correct option of chapter number 3rd. Choose the correct option. The calendar had images of babies, goblin and children. So what is the right answer, class? As I told you, this is the story of some kids in the picture, and there is a girl who is comparing the life of the image of these boy and girl and the real kids. So this poem is about children. Option number 3rd. Mama liked the picture because they looked like her friend, looked like fairies, looked very real. Dorothy didn't agree because they looked dirty. They were too clean. They were sad because they were too clean, and in the real it is impossible to find kids too clean because they are so creative, and they always try new thing, and they play with dirt, they play with cat, they play with dog, and they sail their boat. So these all things make children untidy for some time. So they were too clean, that is why they not look like real. Now class, 2 word meanings are there. Rampant means untidy or full of crease, and awry means not in its correct place or position. Now, 3rd, find rhyming words from the poem for these words and another rhyming words of your own to the list. Means 5 words are given here. You have to find out their rhyming word from the poem, and again you have to write their rhyming words of your own. Means you have to write one from poem and one from yourself. So page, what will be the rhyming word of page? Is, as it is written here, is. And mice, nice. Clean, seen. Okay, clean, seen. This, clean, seen. R, bazaar, big bazaar. Y, arroy. And then you have to write their own. Miss, age, case, nice, rice, seen, bean or lean, bazaar, car, arroy and buy. So these 2 exercises you have to write in your literature copy, class. As I told you that you have to make 2 parts. You have to divide your copy in 2 parts, like as this is your literature copy, and divide it in the middle, and this side you have to write your literature work, and this side you have to write your reader work. If you forget to make such type of divisions, so do one thing class, just complete your literature work, and whenever you are going to write reader work, at the top of the page just write here reader work, as write the poem, yes, write the poem, and above the page write chapter number 3, Dorothy opinion and reader work. It will be easier to you to find out, and it will easier to check it. Okay, so complete this exercise class. From tomorrow we will start new chapter, the chapter number 4, tea talk. Again this is a poem, so class, after completing exercise, once you must have to read the poem. It will help you to understand the meaning when I will explain it.